A drone that only trusts one navigation signal is not autonomous, it is vulnerable. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. One of the most important drone topics now is anti-spoofing autonomy. Most people think drone navigation fails only when GPS disappears, right? But the more dangerous case is when the drone receives a false signal and believes it is true, that is spoofing. This matters because a drone can be pulled off route, tricked into landing in the wrong place, pushed into unsafe airspace, or silently degraded without an obvious crash. So, the real future is not just stronger navigation, it is a trust aware navigation. A robust drone should not ask only where am I, it should also ask can I trust this measurement. That means combining GNSS, IMU, vision, map consistency, radio confidence, and anomaly checks. My 2026 view, the safest drones will not be the ones with the strongest GPS, they will be the ones that can detect when reality and the signal stop matching. Thank you.